Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators, home of some of the most functional Excel tools out there. My goal for the last few years has been to bring you via some integration of Excel with some third-party service such as Google Maps API, some brand new functionalities to Excel, making it more useful and allowing you to automate dozens of tasks. Today, based on recent client requests, I want to show you a tool that allows users to generate city, county, and state from a list or zip or postal codes. This is a very useful tool for users who have a list of zip codes and want to generate additional information based on that zip code, again, such as city, county, and state. A couple of things to note regarding this tool. It is based in Excel, and as such, like all of my tools, there is absolutely nothing to install. You will need a Google Maps API. I have some additional instructions on a different video that will guide you step by step on how to get the Google Maps API key, but it takes about 3 minutes and it is as easy as setting up an account with Google. So let me show you how it works. As usual, I pride myself in putting together the easiest to use tools of its kind, and I hope to deliver on that via this tool. Once you download the tool from my website, the rest of the functionalities are regular Excel functionality. Just paste the zip or postal codes that you're trying to generate information on and the corresponding countries. Note that the tool will work with any countries, mostly based, a lot of my clients are in the US, but really will work with any countries. Once that's done, just click on the calculate button. The tool will generate, as if it were magic, the city, county, and state for your list of zip or postal codes. And it's easy as that. Again, you can download the tool from the link in the description and also find my information. My name is Vinny. Please don't hesitate to reach out, to say hi, and ask me any questions or anything else that you might need. Till next time.